His Excellency stood up and said, mambo ni matatu. And thanks to the mambo ni matatu, the nonsense has ended. So it is important the people in the coffee
Senator
sector.
Boni, in
yes.
equal measure, can you complete your statement just like you did when
yes.
you're in Western?
Yes. Yes, Mr. Speaker. So because the coffee industry collapsed several years ago in our area, where the cartels are now active is in the Mount Kenya region. I wish I knew their names. You guys, you are lucky. I wish I knew you. I would say it here now. And you will do nothing. Mr. Speaker, they are lucky, wherever they are. Let them thank God. But Dangwa, my brother Dangwa, pick courage. Do you know, Dangwa, I was a small boy in a town called Fort Hall. I don't think you know Fort Hall. Fort Hall is the town you call these days Muranga. When I was in Fort Hall as a little boy, we used to see coffee. And Muranga, Kiambu were beautiful. These ugly buildings you see here in Kiambu, they annoy me when I remember the coffee that I used to see. And that coffee was giving this country a lot of forex. We have dropped from where we were. We are now at number 16. And so that the farmers of this country can know that there is nothing in houses where you have to chase people every month to collect your rent of 20,000. Brazil earns, Mr. Speaker, at number 1, it earns $6 billion from coffee. At number 2, Switzerland earns 3.6 USD billion from coffee. That's what we killed when some jokers came and cheated people in Kiambu and Muranga that let us replace the red soil with buildings. We must, as legislators, fight and help the president in ensuring that this housing program can succeed so that people can be moved from that red soil, that rich farmland, to come and live in headquarters and instead leave the land free for development. I would have liked to continue, but because I can see colleagues are queuing, let me give them my time, and I support very strongly. Thank you, Mr. Speaker.
Senator Muma.